guys. We're gonna do squishy haul. Cringe. Alright guys, sorry about that. Squishy haul today. From Temu. Temu's squishy haul.
It's his.
We're gonna see if it's legit again. But it's not legit because they scanned me and you're gonna see it later on the video. You're gonna see how later on the video, you're gonna see how bad they scammed me. Like, bro, they literally scammed me so bad. Okay, let's start.
First, we have this needle.
By the way, it's mine.
It's fake, and everything is his, by the way, because mine I already have it in my room. I'm not in the mood to go get it. This needle.
Okay, my turn. I'm gonna do this. Strawberries. I bought a lot, by the way. This is how many I bought. She's gonna show you.
He bought.
But it's actually so nice.
He bought 6.
Plus this one.
Yeah, wait.
7.
I'm gonna squeeze them all together.
Ooh, that's actually so nice.
Let's do some more. Shut up.
Guys, a gummy bear.
No, it's my turn because you squished it. It's fine. You choose unsquish. Because I'm beside the camera. This is coming back.
Oh no, shoot them. Yeah,
it's fine. We should shoot something.
And then we're gonna decor them.
Okay, wait. There are dumplings. There are other colors, but I don't know where they're. Tapa. And mochi, I guess. I meant butter.
My butter's actually kind of nice.
Yeah, compared
it's
to
like
my butter.
Too slow rising. Bro, it doesn't rise, but it rises so slowly. Okay, you're done. Cheese.
More cheese. So the cheese, he popped it, but it's fine. Where? I don't know. He popped it right here, girl. Bro, I found it.
You
Found it. You're not missing your hand.
Yeah, I'm not.
See that? I'm beside the camera, see? But forget about it. It's fine to clean it later. No air inside. Then
She popped this one, guys. She literally popped this
itself.
one.
It popped itself. It's not my problem. It popped itself.
Okay, now this thing, I want to do this one. I want to do this one.
Because I'm beside the camera. He chose this.
This one's actually kind of nice.
Snakes.
By the way, I didn't buy
You said you
all the...
bought something from me. What was it? Yes, you did. You said boils.
Balls?
Yeah, something like that. Whatever.
What do you even mean by balls?
Like these small balls.
Oh, no, I don't want it.
Then
I like the something.
I don't know what you said. Then we have this.
Like the Easter egg.
Bro, I don't know. Then we have this
Little dumpling.
little dumpling. It is real. It's not from Temu.
It is, bro. I already did the video and we saw it.
I know.
But guys, if you didn't see that video, you gotta go see it. It's actually so nice.
Okay, then we have this Nito seashell from Temu. This came yesterday. Then we have this poop that actually is mine, but I gave him it for some reason.
We traded it.
Yeah, but I told you to get.
I don't know. Mine.
They gave him stretch balls instead of me, and they gave me poop instead of him, even though he's the one who ordered it. But whatever. How it looks, it's so cute. My cousin said it's like Orbeez, whatever.
It's so cute, the mochi ones. Oh yeah, this dream drop. Bro, I wanna do it. This dream drop or water
I'm
drop.
gonna do this. I'm gonna do these two. Then he has this needle that is pregnant with a whale. I think.
No, bro, that's a ghost.
Wait!
You're gonna tear it, bro.
Bro, you're the one I told you to wait. See, this actually, if this popped, it's fine. There's a squishy inside.
That is a squishy. And this taba.
Yeah, and actually he has this egg. And like,
this one's actually one of my best ones.
Now let's put here. We're gonna stir the strawberries. By the way, guys, this is ASMR edition. I did it already. What the hell were you doing? Ew. Try not to make a mess with the cheese and other squishies. Moon, do the strawberries alone. No, together, cause strawberries like no like the strawberry team alone and the but every other stuff alone because we don't have a lot of everything. Yeah, cause we're just gonna go like that. Alright. Let's put needles alone. By the way, the needles are big, so you better put them in a big thing. I'm gonna try to put the needles alone. This is a needle, and it looks like one because it's a square, so why not? This is like a needle. There's one that's actually a needle, but it's real. This is just a dupe, but it still counts as a needle, so we're gonna add it here. We're gonna put the butter with it because there's no space for put the butter somewhere else. I'm gonna put the cheese and the strawberry because there's no space for it, and the other strawberry we're gonna keep that, and the other strawberry we're gonna put it here alone. And yeah, I put all the things together. Now I'm gonna show you the ones that we got scammed with. Actually, him.
Guys, look, we literally got like an apple, but the problem is they scammed us with this. Yeah. Look.
With these two, like what are we
supposed
supposed
what
to
the
do?
heck? Give me them. Is this like an squishy right now? You can't even squish
Yeah, wow,
now.
it's such a nice squishy.
Yeah,
love
I know,
it.
right?
You wanna trade with it for rainbow for a glitter dumpling?
Sure.
Guys, we're just kidding. This is freaking like what is this? It's like literally we got scammed, and she and our team wherever he got this. And if you saw this, we're gonna report. Like we're not gonna report, but we are gonna say something to you because you can't be doing. So next time, Timo put
not only
like
that,
white. That's gonna be something like
you gotta
this.
read. You gotta read it, bro. Like
Yeah, and he didn't read it, but I read everything because I don't want to get scammed. But I actually did. I didn't get scammed, but I think they just forgot to put my color changing stress ball.
Now just put that thing.
We're just gonna put it because it's a nice apple squishy.
But you know, it looks kind of realistic and nice. It looks like an apple tangle.
Perfume, so they can smell good. We forgot about something. Guess what it is? If you're a real follower, you're gonna know what it is. I meant subscriber. Sorry. It's the Taba, and if you guess Taba, good job.
Comment yes.
Or before you eat, we haven't said it or like showed it, just comment yes. We're gonna see you. Don't cheat. Okay, now actually let's put it. But where should we put it? There's no space.
On top of both strawberries.
Oopsie. Looks like poop.
Yeah, for real.
If you know, guess which poop it looks like. I do and trading roleplay, so come stay tuned. Oh my god, I really want to
Hi.
everyone.
Wanna trade for this?
Butter. Wow, I don't have a butter, and my butter is so bad. But this is actually kind of good. So let's cam him. I'm gonna give you this tub plus this very nice mochi poop with its very nice orange poop, and plus this very nice green apple squishy, and red apple. No, you can't touch it. I can't touch it.
Can you add one strawberry?
No. This is very weird. Yours is just a butter, and I already have a butter that's even better than this. So I'm gonna ask you to add.
I add this.
No, bro, add the Oreo stuff.
This.
Add. This is so weird.
Okay, this is my last offer. Okay, fine.
Add more. This is very weird. Are you dumb or something? I know you're just kidding.
I will
Add.
this last butter.
Okay, I accept.
I accept too.
Guys, we just scammed him.
Hey, you scammed me!
Oopsie. Well, I guess you're too dumb enough. You're dumb that you can't even know what's a scam or anything. Are you dumb? You know that people who doesn't let you touch means they're scammers. Maybe you should learn. Go to lessons or something. You're such a noob.
Oh,
Loser, double loser. I have a needle. I have this, whatever it's called, gumdrop thing, and have these needle balls that stick together, and have 3 butters, but actually 4 because I have one over here, and it's so good.
Guys,